Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are reviewing this RC boat. We're going to jump right to the action. So guys, this is everything you get in the box.
Looks like a neat thing.
I thought you were going swimming.
Oh, ew! Oh, boy.
Oh, you don't like this one?
No, it picked up speed after it goes.
A little slow getting started.
Holy cow. It doesn't that way, but the other way is.
Ooh, that was close.
That was close.